what even really is this guy doing, you know? There's a crank in the floor. Here's half of a crank. There's the other half of it. Look, he's got the crank out of that one and the pistons are still in it. I think that's the block with the hole in it. Oh yeah, that's the monster right there. He's got so much junk, I can't remember which pieces were in which. Domestic in Japanese. That good right there, son. Hey, the Japanese make quality stuff. You ever read?
But I'm like a little kid, bro.
You like a little kid?
Yeah.
What?
I get so excited.
You get so excited when you're doing stuff?
I love it, bro. I got a rip on it.
The mad scientist got the laptop out now. You got a tool for it, or?
No, I got a tool for it.
You are the tool?
I'm the tool.
With your subordinate in the background cleaning his connecting rods. Crazy.
Dude, you can't pull this freaking gear out of this thing. Dude, that oil.
Come on. Right there. Yeah.
Yeah, tensile strength. Yeah. But they got a thing for it. They call it something. Can't remember what it is.
It's called an atom bomb. Dude, that's hot.
What? You stupid. You spin that in your hand, guy.
Oh, yes. Reckon we'll go out here and see what old Jaybird's doing. See what old Jaybird's doing. Where you at, Jay? Where you at, Jay? Daggum. He's got a little bowl of soup here.
A bowl of soup.
Yeah.
Soup.
Look at that. He don't say no $70 make. Yeah, he says love me plenty, send me 20.
Yeah.
So like these last ones you did, you probably remember when you did them, your arrow, your big side of your rod was going that with your arrow. This one's gonna be the other way.
I was like the oil hole, the big end goes to that.
Ah.
But yeah,
Yeah, cause your squirters are. Yep. Yeah. They're on the same side as the radius side of your rods.
$52.
52 plus oh, they didn't get nothing, it's just 52. There must be ARP.
Okay. Told you I didn't get it.
I believe you.
Yeah, I know I didn't get it.
That's the difference between life and death right there, son. That sucker hiding up in there. Old Judas.
Judas, he said.
Yeah, make sure you mark that one, son. Don't let that one sneak by.
Please come get me on my word. And look, they had a room or whatever.
Well, sure enough, here we are. This is the block. This one was all the way together. This is LBZ block number 6, I think, something like that. Well, you know, old Nick Meadows. We had one with a load-out cylinder, piston Delito, and then we got this one, which was immaculate, good cylinder in it. Look at that. It's a little dirty now because we've put it in the corner, and because she needs fixing, and we ain't really wanting to do it. But he got him another block because this one's got a piece of a head bolt broke off in the bottom of that hole there, one of them holes there. And but somebody oversized it, and we got the right stud for it, and we went to torque it up. Sure enough, that's the last one in the sequence. Pulled the threads, so we took the whole thing back apart. Block number one. Look, pistons in the floor. Look at this. Wow. Wow. Got another good crank out of the deal though, because he bought another short block. There's an immaculate crank. I can polish that and have that looking brand new. We got enough to build 4 motors. We just need some blocks. If we could just find us 3 or 4 blocks, we could build 4 motors. There's 2 LBZ. Look at that. Duramax just sitting in the floor, tore up. One of them needs a sleeve. Nobody wants to do it. The other one needs a line bore. No one wants to do it. Dude, I heard the torque wrench click and I seen it go a little further. What kind of outfit are y'all running here? So sure enough, that's Duramax number 4. We had to take the whole other one apart. I shouldn't have said we. I didn't have nothing to do with it. Nick did it. So there it is. It's back together. As long as none of these head bolts blast out of here. Well, they ain't going to. Look, there's Adam Lester's drum set in the background of my motor video. That makes you feel like a retard. Look, that's something. That does something right there. I think that's an oil pump. GM, they like putting them right there off the... I think that's a cam gear. And it's direct drive. There's no idler in there. That's wild. So what? She's prone to... Yeah, where you going to get that at? You want me to just hold it? You want me to just hold it, Nick?
Yeah, just hold it on there. Make sure you got it on there. Make sure you're holding it to that. Oh, dude, you ain't got it.
I want to get a good ground, Nick.
Well, just hold it.
Okay.
Don't be scared of it.
I'm not scared of it, dude. I welded my oil pump out here with my shirt off the other day.
Did you? You ready?
Yeah, I'm staring right at it. Golly! You think you got it enough there? Oh, he went the whole circumference. Look at that.
Chip food.
Well, Nick is he's moving right along with this whole thing here. I think he's about ready to go in the truck with it. some 668 covered by the blood.